idea today. Zip, pop! Ah! Pop! Pop, our friend, what are you doing around these parts?
Well, I was just popping around.
Everybody meet Pop, one of the best scientists in the world.
Yeah, I'm Pop, and I like big explosions. I didn't bring any with me.
Okay.
Well. What's the idea? I want to know the idea.
Pop, would you be interested in doing some 2 experiments with us today?
Yes!
Oh, good!
In this video, we're going to talk about electromagnets and motors.
This is really exciting.
I can't wait.
Well, let's get started.
Yeah!
It's going to be super fun. Woo!
What is an electromagnet, Bill?
Well, to understand what an electromagnet is, we are going to separate the word into 2 parts. Electro for electricity and magnet, a material or object that produces a magnetic field.
A magnetic field? What is that?
An invisible force created by a magnet. You can try this at home. Get some paper clips, and we will be using the little magnet from our big electricity kit. And we also have this big magnet. Alright, so watch this. If I start getting this little magnet closer to the paper clips, it won't attract too many. But now, what would happen if we do this big, strong magnet? Wow! Look at all those paper clips!
So the magnetic field is a space in which it attracts other objects.
Correcto! So if we put the 2 words together, electro and magnet, we understand that an electromagnet becomes a magnet only when it has a source of energy connected to it.
And then it transforms energy into electricity.
Right!
Oh, what are the parts of an electromagnet?
An iron core, a wire through which the current will flow. This wire has to be coiled around the core and a source of energy, like a battery. Okay, so let's make an electromagnet. Yeah. For this experiment, you will need
paper clips, a nail,
a diesel battery and the diesel battery holder,
a ruler, and wires of different sizes. This is a magnet. What? It looks like a nail to me.
Well, it is a nail, but once we wrap it tightly with this wire and we connect it to this battery, it will become a magnet.
This is an iron core.
This is a current-carrying wire.
And this is a source of energy.
Alright, what you will do is get your wire and coil it around the nail like this. What you must do is get your ruler and measure 20 centimeters, right about there, of the wire before you actually coil it around. And you will leave that apart, just like this. Now, what you can also do is try different sizes of wire to find out that the more coils your nail has, the stronger the magnet will be. Alright, I'm going to do that now. Yeah, this is where it should be. Right like this. Now, just so you know, you need to peel the insulator off at the very tips, at the ends. Here you go, Pop.
Thank you. Now you're going to plug both ends of the wire into the opposite sides of the battery holder. Like this.
Now, if you can see, it's starting to get some paper clips.
Wow!
Now that we have made an electromagnet, it is easy to understand that one of the benefits of electromagnets is that you can control them. You can make them stronger if you wish to, but also you can turn them on and off.
Wow, so are there electromagnets around us?
Exactly! There are electromagnets in a hairdryer, in the blender, in a fan, even in a toy car.
Awesome! I'll keep them. Now that I understand what an electromagnet is, can you teach me about motors?
Sure!
This is part 1.
Please stay tuned for part 2.
We will be talking about motors and generators.
And we will do one more experiment with Pop.